Ready when you are?
Alright.
Yeah.
At least it's staying by us a bit more this time.
Where is it now? I can't see it now. I can't see it, it's gone too small for me.
Right, the engine's cut now. Still gliding. Actually, it's very near those. Oh, there's the DT's just gone, so it's dropping down now. It's landed. Excellent.